Hi, this is Thomas from replient.ai, and I'm going to show you the biggest update we made within weeks to our software replient.ai. We are introducing a new view for your comments. Currently, you have been working in the comments tab, which was like a single comment view, and the post was always on the right hand side. And now we're introducing the post view, where you get a better overview about all your comments within a post. So for example, in this account, we're having 3 posts which have new comments under them. So in the post view, you're gonna see open and done posts, and each post can have multiple open comments. So for this one, for example, we have 4 unread comments or open comments and 61 total comments. You're gonna see all the comments listed under the posts. So in this list, you're gonna see all the posts where you have got new comments. If there are no new comments, then you can see it under the done folder. Also, you can find filters here. So you can, for example, filter by ad postings. So all the organic posts are filtered out. And when you click on one posting, you'll get to this view where you have all the comments from the posts that are unanswered currently. So the yellowish comments here are like those that have not been moderated yet or not been moved to done yet. So you have the open tab on the right hand side, you have the post overview with the caption, the creative, and like some numbers about unanswered and total comments. And in the open tab, now you have a better view of your open comments under this specific post. You can hit reply on each of those comments that are open. You have the suggestions here, like the same as in the comment view, that you can click through and send out with one click. You'll have the templates here, emoji picker, you can like, hide, delete, and send a DM directly from this view as well. So everything is the same as in the comment view, but like layouted differently. And if you want to like do not reply but mark the comment as done, you can just hit the check mark here and it moves to done. Yeah, so you have 3 tabs on top of here where you can see all the comments in the post. So you can scroll through and like maybe check what you've answered in the past in this post, so you get a better understanding of what is visible publicly under this post. And you have like a view of only open comments visible that are not yet moderated. In this view, you also have like the automated tab visible right here. So every time an automation has been triggered, we're gonna add this automated tag right here, where you can click on it and see the activity protocol, so what happened with this comment and which automation got triggered. So you have this view right here. You can filter by tag as well here. So let's say you only want to find spam comments under this post, then you just filter for it and you get a quick overview and can deep dive into your data, into your comment data by filtering or searching for keywords. So basically that's it for the post view. I think it's a very powerful feature, so go ahead and try it out. You also have the option to like mark all comments as done from this view as well. So if you have like a post where you don't want to moderate comments, you can just click this check mark and all the comments will be automatically moved to done. What is noticeable is that we sync between comment view and post view. So every action you take in the post view will also be reflected in the comment view. So for example, if you mark a comment as done, it will be also in the done folder here. So it's just a different view, but the actions are the same wherever you make them. Another great feature we added this week is that you can now share filtered views. So for example, if you want to go ahead and create a view where you filter for complaints, for example, then you get a shareable link now with the tag filter added. So you can just copy paste this into your group chat, share it with the team colleagues so they can see the exact same view. You can also create bookmarks for those links so you can access the views much faster. So you can go ahead, open it up and have like the same view in when you want to access it later on. And the last thing I'm going to talk about today is moving comments to done automatically. We already introduced this for DMs, so you can disable move to done automatically for comments now as well. This is the switch. So if you don't want comments to move automatically to done after you interacted with them, you just disable this option here. I think it's best if you activate this if you want to do multiple actions for a comment. So for example, if you want to like and answer a comment, you would disable this, because when you click like, it doesn't move to the next comment automatically. So you can click like, send a comment, and then you manually need to check the ticket as done, which is kind of useful if you have like a low volume and want to reach out to your customers with multiple actions. This is the perfect feature for you. And we are building in the background very powerful features the next week. So best subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss anything, and subscribe to our newsletter so you will get notified when we release something new. Until then, have a great day and talk to you soon.